no-brainer in the fact na kita to, lakas. These kids are very, lakas ng affinity nila with a whole new market, a growing market, an emerging market. Thank you.
I have a question for Lakas. So, can you explain briefly yung kaibahan ng characters?
Akala ko yung role nila eh.
No.
Kaibahan na.
Kaibahan ng role nyo dun sa personal characters nyo based dun sa, yung personal character.
Your character as versus your personality, yung
Yes,
ugali ng
personality.
totoo. Let's start with Yasi.
Chip. Hello. Ayan. Si Audrey, she's really, really different to me personally. Kasi Audrey's really, well, masungit siya eh. Mataray siya. And she gets really mean to Samantha actually. And I think yung pagkaparehas namin siguro is we're both competitive, but she has other ways. Ako, I like friendly competition. Si Audrey talagang magagalit siya kay Samantha. But she's a nice person. Meron lang talagang reason bakit siya ganun kay Samantha that you guys have to find out when you watch the movie.
Joseph, kay Red, ano bang kaibahan mo?
Well, yung sa akin naman, kay Red, parang OT lang naman yung difference namin. Medyo similar siya sa personality ko. Well, number one, parang seryoso siyang tao. Ako medyo seryoso rin ako. And babaero siya. Dumaan din naman ako sa pagiging babaero dati. But, you know, people change. So, di ba, bigyan niyo ako ng chance. Anyway, yun, vain din siya. Well, of course, di ba, pagiging artista, dapat we really have to take good care of ourselves. So, in a way, vain din kami. And mahilig rin akong kasi si Red, nagparaya siya sa best friend niya para dun sa taong minamahal niya. So, ako ganun din naman ako sa mga friends ko. If talagang kailangan, di ba, ibibigay ko. And siguro yung difference na namin is involved siya sa gangga and I'm not. So, yeah.
James.
For me, I think the biggest difference is Top is really hot-tempered, and me, I'm very patient, understanding.
Wow, sabi yan.
Very patient.
In real life,
Yes.
you're patient, you're understanding.
But our similarities. He believes in loyalty and brotherhood, so I can relate to that.
And it's also pogi. That's true. Alright, thanks James. Nadine?
Ako naman ba yung pinagkaiba ko si Sam? Si Sam kasi prim and proper. Ako medyo hindi. And kasi siya, she's an overachiever. Tapos medyo perfectionist siya. Gusto niya palagi siyang nasa taas. Gusto niya palagi siyang top 1. Ako, okay na ako sa average. So yun po.
Okay, Rod.
Last question for
Sure.
James. James, ano yung kaibahan nito dun sa Diary ng Pangit role mo from this?
Mas maangas ito. Sorry. Sobra. Mas maangas ito. He's more mature. Cross Sanford dun sa Diary ng Pangit. He's more of a brat. Immature, still a kid. This is very mature. He thinks really deep and he believes in true love. So I can say the main difference is he's more mature.
Thank you.
Thanks, Rod. Okay, next question will come from your name and your black side, please.
Stanley Breeze from Reserve.com. I just have a question kay James and then kay Mitchell. So, I'd like to know how you define bad boy and you bad boy in person.
Baboy? Anong baboy? Baboy, sorry. Akala ko, pinalilinchi ka. Okay, James, how do you define bad boy?
Me personally, hindi ako bad boy. I don't think I am. But I would define a bad boy as, top for me is the definition of a bad boy. Nagmumura siya, he smokes, he's mean, he's hot-tempered. Yeah, he's a bad boy, basically.
Yeah, for me, ganun din naman eh. Yung character ko, si Red, syempre, since nasa isang gang lang kami, so talagang bad boy yung grupo namin. But then again, meron kasing